Hi everyone, Av here again. So I want to talk about a new topic. Microsoft Teams has some great presentation options. Everyone asks me, Av, how good are those options? So let's discover them. If you click this share content button right now, I can get into presenter mode. Let's talk about objectives. I want to stand out. I want two pieces of content that I can go ahead and show, and I want to have a great presentation. So, hey, it actually says stand out. Let's try it. I'm going to go pick my screen right there. Wow, it looks like something is happening. And I pop up in a little window. Okay, that's interesting. So it looks like I'm overlaid on top of my desktop. So now I'm going to find my PowerPoint presentation. It's right there. Okay, that's really interesting, but this is confusing. I'm going to maximize this window. Oh, geez. Wow, this is really trippy. I'm going to stand out and grab your attention. You don't even have to go ahead and take any drugs to go ahead and do this. Okay, now that doesn't make any sense. But I only have one monitor here, so this is going to be tricky. But at the same time, let's try a different mode. So I'm going to go back to Teams here, and I am going to stop that. And let's actually go to side-by-side mode. And I'm going to go ahead and pick my screen. So if I do this, again, my content pops up side by side. But if I share my screen, this goes nuts. But here's the problem. I want to show two pieces of information. I want to be able to show my product sheet together with my PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, this is becoming a hot mess. It is not designed for nonlinear conversations where I can bring in any type of content that I want. So how do you go about doing this? Let's get out of this. And I am going to show you how a great conversation can be had using Teams. It's just that Teams was not designed for presentation. It's really a pipe that connects you with me. And Reactiv was designed for presentations. Let me show you how. So I'm going to stop my camera here, and I'm going to go into Reactiv. And in Reactiv, I have my cameras right there. I'm going to pick up that camera and going to go ahead and put it up there. So guess what? That camera is an object where I can move it independently. Now I can bring my PowerPoint deck in, and I can bring in my product information right there. So what I can now do is I can easily put my information anywhere that I want. I can size, I can resize, I can go full screen on this deck, and I can easily highlight, underline, and go from page to page and very quickly change the context. And also, I can control my image. So if I want to be side by side with my content, I can put my content here and go side by side mode. That's how easy it is. If I want to be the reporter mode, I can absolutely make myself larger and go into reporter mode. So you have complete control in order to layer your content in your presentation to go drive impact. Check it out and tell me what your thoughts are. Thank you so much.